Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Heavenly Cuisine, where recipes have no bounds. In today's episode, we're making no-bake barbecue chicken that is juicy, flavorful, and packed with spice, served with some super soft homemade naan roti. All the ingredients are listed in the description below. This recipe uses one whole chicken which we have cut into large pieces. Alright, so let's get started with the marinade. You can use any skillet for this, but today we are using a baking pan on the stove top. Into the pan, add 4 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of vinegar. This helps make the chicken extra tender. 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, half a teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri Chilli Powder. This is optional, we have added it for a bit more color. 1 teaspoon Cumin Powder, 1 teaspoon Red Chilli Flakes, 1 teaspoon dry mango powder. This is also optional. Half a teaspoon cardamom powder, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon cinnamon powder, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 3 tablespoons yogurt, 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup, 1 teaspoon hot sauce, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, and a few finely chopped curry leaves. Give everything a nice mix until well combined. Now add the chicken pieces one by one, making sure each piece is well coated in the marinade. Once that's done, drizzle about 2 tablespoons of oil on top. Cover and cook over high heat for about 3 minutes, just until it starts to bubble. Then lower the heat and cook for 15 minutes. Flip the chicken pieces, cover again and cook for another 15 minutes on low. And there you have it, tender, extremely flavorful, no-bake barbecue chicken that's ready to serve. Now let's move on to the naan roti, which you can make while the chicken is cooking. You will need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup lukewarm water, 1 tablespoon milk powder, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon yeast, half a teaspoon salt, and 2 tablespoons oil. To start, let's activate the yeast. In a bowl, add half a cup of warm water, the milk powder, sugar, and yeast. Mix it slightly and let it sit untouched for 5 minutes. Next, add salt and mix to dissolve. Pour in the rest of the water, then gradually add the flour and knead it into a soft dough. Cover and let it rest for 20 minutes and the dough should feel soft and smooth. Now divide into smaller portions depending on how big you want each naan. Dust your surface lightly with flour, roll out each piece with a rolling pin, and it's ready to cook. Heat up a pan, brush a little oil on it, and place the naan. Cook each side for a few minutes until it turns a nice golden brown. Flip and cook the other side. And if you're lucky, it might just puff up beautifully. And that's it, soft fluffy naan ready to be served with our delicious no-bake barbecue chicken. Try it out at home and let us know how it turns out in the comments below. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe for more easy and delicious dishes. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.